Welcome back, everybody. This is part 4, where I'm going to separate out the media from my clean brass. First thing I do is dump the water, soap, and lemon shine mixture. See all that blackness coming out of there? I guess that means they got a good wash. A well-needed wash. Here's a little trick I'm going to use. Stick your hand in to hold the media in. That way you can dump that water all the way out. Alright, once you got it this far, take it and dump it out in the tap. That's some in there. What I don't want to happen is for a piece of brass to get left with some of this stainless steel media in there. So I'm going to take them all, dump them as much as I can, run them over a magnet, pull any little bits that are left in there out. And we'll move on to the next step. I think I got them all. Nope. Put my bucket in here, that way I can transfer my media back. High powered magnet. Set the magnet right there. Try to dump them out as good as you can. Tap them a couple of times on that magnet. They're clean. Dump them out. Tap them a couple of times on the magnet. Nothing's in them. Sometimes you'll find one that has some in it, and you won't get it all by dumping it. Whenever you go to tap it on the magnet, it'll pull them out, have them stick to that magnet. Those little pieces. Take those, dump them back in. I'm going to go through and process the rest of these in the exact same way. Tap them, making sure you get out the media. Then after this, they'll make their way to the dryer.